Thank you for stopping by Ballistic BBQ. On today's video, I'm going to be smoking up some chicken thighs on the pit barrel cooker. Then we're going to be finishing them off with a really good, very easy white barbecue sauce in honor of Big Bob Gibson. Let's get going. Okay, a little different setting than you're used to. I'm actually visiting my sister, my brother-in-law up in Granite Bay, California, Northern California. It's an almost 9-hour drive from where I live down in San Diego. So we're rocking a bit of a country setting instead of the tropical stuff that I have going on. And a beautiful morning. We have roosters crowing in the background and there's some horses over there that whinny every once in a while, add a little atmosphere. Anyway, here's the chicken. Just some chicken thighs. I did a very basic trim on these, just kind of slice the loose ends off and then kind of wrap the skin around. We're not doing a competition, so I'm not going to scrape any fat off or anything. This is just backyard cooking. This is what we're doing. We're going to start off with a very simple seasoning, salt and pepper. So I have some coarse ground kosher salt. We're going to hit every piece with a little bit of salt, front and back. And some fresh ground black pepper. All right, and that's looking good. I have the pit barrel all fired up. Let's go ahead and get these guys on the grill. Pit barrel cooker's all fired up, burning lump charcoal today, and I have a little bit of hickory in there just for a little extra smoky flavor. But you know, the lump charcoal alone, it's going to provide a great flavor. Using the grate today, obviously we're not going to be hanging chicken thighs. Just get them in here. And I just have the skin kind of folded around the thighs to give it a little bit more of a consistent shape. So remember, the rebar actually acts as part of the damping system for the airflow. So we get these in. I have the lower damper set for the elevation we're at, which is like 451 feet, I think, above sea level. Lid on, and we're cooking. So what I'm targeting is an internal temperature of about 175 degrees Fahrenheit in these chicken thighs. And then we're going to hit them with that Alabama white sauce, which we're going to make next. So this Alabama white sauce is good, and it's very different from other regions in the country when it comes to barbecue sauce. It's white. It's just got this really nice creamy texture, obviously because of the mayo, but it also has, you know, some acids. There's vinegar in it. There's apple juice. I mean, it's just loaded with flavors. And if you've never tried it, you'll thank yourself if you do, because again, very unique, and it just rocks chicken. We're going to kick it off with 1 cup of mayo, and I use Best Foods, which in other parts of the country is Hellman's. It's the same mayo, just it's like Hardee's and Carl's Jr. I don't know why they do that. Anyway, 1 cup mayo. One-third cup white vinegar, or distilled vinegar. 1/4 cup apple juice. 1/4 cup lemon juice. I have here 1 tablespoon cream horseradish, 1 tablespoon coarse ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon spicy brown mustard. Two teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. And last but definitely not least, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and mix it up. And there we go. Good stuff. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill out a little bit. And as soon as that chicken's done, it's coming straight out of the barrel into the sauce. And it's unbelievable. See you guys in a bit. Okay, we hit the target temperature, and just prior to hitting the temperature, what I did was turn the chicken over, and I cooked it with the open barrel just to sort of crisp up the skin a little bit. And it is time for these things to take the plunge in that white sauce. All right, and in it goes. Just make sure we coat both sides and check that out. Nice crisp skin, sounding good. Rooster's wanting a bite. Kind of sickening when you think about it. You can laugh, John. My brother-in-law is off camera right now. So I'm going to allow the chicken to rest a little bit with that sauce, let it kind of set in. We'll give you guys a try. All right, and here we are. Check that out. It smells unbelievable, unbelievable. So good, so good. The skin is crisp. There's a lot of tang coming off of this. Creamy, a little bit of heat, a little sweet from that apple juice. It's really good, just very savory. It's very well balanced, just great stuff. Chicken's juicy, tender. Wow. Good stuff. Let's have a beer. It's time for a local favorite. Good old Pacifico, never fails, very refreshing. It's going to be warm today, so perfect choice. Goes well with chicken. Guys, see you on the next video. Remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell, keep the suggestions rolling in. Cheers.